of the energy in the atmosphere will be carried our way. So we're going to see a little bit of rain from this. We're also going to see a little bit of snow, and the enhancement of this storm system is really dependent upon a surface low that develops off the coast of the Delmarva coast. And if that comes into fruition and if it really intensifies like we think it is, this is going to help to give us some significant snow up in the mountains. We're looking at Wednesday and Thursday for the time frame, but it's interesting because the storm system may actually stall through the end of the week as well. So heavy rain, small stream and river flooding possible with the heavy rain, amounts of 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. Heavy snow over 6 inches up in the mountains, but it's wet and pasty snow consistency. So when you get a gusty wind from the northeast of 40 to 50 miles an hour on top, that can lead to some damage or even potential for outages, especially in higher elevations with that very heavy snow. Coastal flooding too, minor to pockets of moderate flooding during that Thursday morning high tide cycle. But as of now, things can still change. The track still to be determined and whether or not that coastal low really amplifies enough. So first alert live radar, there's some of that energy back out to the west, and it meets up with an area of low pressure across parts of the upper Midwest and parts of the Great Plains. So today on the south edge of that storm, it's going to be a wild afternoon for some areas. St. Louis, south of Indianapolis, down even through Texas, where they could have a lot of severe weather, damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes. We don't see severe weather today. Today's actually going to be the nicest day of the week. Enjoy it while you can. Mix of clouds and sunshine. A few showers lingering just to the southwest of New England. However, we'll have high temps in the 50s, near 60 degrees. 54 Boston. Thanks to an east wind, it keeps us just a touch cooler at the coast versus inland. And tonight, our lows drop into the 30s and 40s. Then the next several days, our temperature slowly drops into the low 40s. Boston will be about 40 degrees once we go into that storm on Wednesday. So even Tuesday doesn't look too bad. We have lots of clouds around and nearby showers. Wednesday morning, we're starting to see a light wintry mix picking up, some sleet mixing in with wet, heavy snow anywhere north of the Pike up in Worcester County and outside of 495. However, Boston, it looks like a mostly rain event for us as we get this coastal front setting up. And so even along the New Hampshire seacoast up through Cape Ann, it's mostly a rain event. As soon as you go inland, there's enough marginal cold air that will start to transition to that some slushy snow. And in the mountains, elevation driven snow will lead to some higher totals. Now there's that surface low that develops. And as it moves across southeastern Massachusetts Thursday afternoon and going into the evening, then we start to see the potential for increased wind speeds and the chance for some coastal flooding. So here's a look at what we can expect. Snow to the north, wintry mix, and then all rain at the coast, including in Boston. But that mix can be close to the city of Boston as well. The trend, though, for some of the forecast models have less cold air in place for Boston. So we'll see if that really does hold. At 7 o'clock Wednesday into early in the morning on Thursday, this is where we get our highest winds. That's also coinciding with that peak high tide time, too. Rainfall forecast upwards of 1 to 3 inches in some spots, and we could have significant wave heights of 15 feet offshore Thursday morning. So that high tide cycle, that's when we expect minor pockets of coastal flooding. First alert days, Wednesday and Thursday. This is not an April Fool's joke. Yep, it's coming our way. Little shot of winter before we see some warming temps next week.